Welcome back to another day. On today's episode, we'll install giant suction hooks for the front door so my beautiful bride can hang her Halloween decorations up, or anything else after that. To ensure that these suction cups stay, we want to make sure the glass is good and clean, free from all debris, and dry. When installing these, push firmly, trying to push out all the air so you get a good, nice stick. Hopefully these will last a long time. Once the hooks are installed, go ahead and hang your door hanger, and that's all. Hope this was helpful. Give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.